Hey guys, welcome to the second part of Disassembling Manta. Today we're going to take off the front fenders and the doors so we can be sure that there are no more animals living inside. This console comes out with unscrewing this bolt, and there are two bolts more that are covered with plastic, but you can simply undo them. In order to remove the front fender, we have to unscrew these bolts here. Behind the doors, there was one behind there, but I already took it out. And also we have to unscrew the chrome bumper that goes into the fender. So as you can see, we have too much glue here. It's not original. You can see overspray. Have more glue here. Also, as you can see, we have two different kinds of red here and some overspray on the chromes. Stuff like this you should look out for, because these are clear indications that this car has been repainted before. Hey guys, one more thing. You see this rust stuff here? Now normally you just want to start pulling it away, breaking it off, making holes, but until we have the replacement part, I don't want to do this because maybe we can still use this stuff for measurements and to see if the replacement part is actually okay, and if we need to modify anything or make our own sheet metal. This way you can still test fit it and see if the contours are okay. So don't start breaking off the rust bars just yet. Be patient, one step at a time. Just pull it a little bit down so the bolts, the thread loosens up. So as you can see, the car is now inside, so we can work even in colder weather. This will suit our hands and our knees because it really has been a little bit chilly outside. I'll see you guys next time when we will be working on Manta. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope to see you next time.